A cell in Excel is a single rectangular box where you can enter data like text, numbers, or formulas. To select cell D4, click on the box at the intersection of column D and row 4. A column is a vertical line of cells labeled with letters at the top A, B, C, etc. To select column D, click on the column D header. A row is a horizontal line of cells labeled as numbers. To select row 4, click on the row 4 header. A range in Excel is a collection of 2 or more cells. To select the range D4 to E6, click on cell D4 and drag it to cell E6. To select a range of individual cells, hold down the Control key and click on each cell that you want to include in the range. To fill a range, execute the following steps. Enter the value 4 into cell D4. Next, select cell D4, click on the lower right corner of cell D4 and drag it down to cell D11. This dragging technique is very important and you will use it often in Excel. Here's another example. Enter the value 4 into cell D4 and the value 6 into cell D5. Next, select cell D4 and cell D5. Click on the lower right corner of this range and drag it down. Excel automatically fills the range based on the pattern of the first 2 values. And finally, one more fill example. Enter the date, March 10th, 2025 into cell C4, and the date, March 12th, 2025 into cell C5. Select cell C4 and cell C5. Click on the lower right corner of this range and drag it down. Once again, Excel recognizes the pattern and fills the date down, incrementing by 2 days each time. To move a range, select a range and click on the border of the range, then drag the range to its new location. To copy and paste a range, select the range, right-click, then click Copy or press Ctrl+C. Next, select the cell where you want the first cell of the range to appear. Right-click, then click Paste under Paste Options, or press Ctrl+V. To insert a row between March 10th, 2025 and March 12th, 2025, select row 5 by clicking the row 5 header. Next, right-click the highlighted row, then click Insert. To insert a column, click the column F header, right-click in the highlighted column, then select Insert. A column is inserted.